Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Fireflies AI to send transcripts automatically to your Slack account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your Slack to your Fireflies AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, if you can automate certain processes to notify your team, it can end up saving you time and a lot of different headaches. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Fireflies AI to your Slack, here on the left menu, you're going to click on integrations. Once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options. What you're going to want to do is click here in the search bar and just type in Slack. Once you do that, click on the Slack logo. Okay, here they give you a little bit of information. Your notes will automatically be sent to Slack in a channel of your choice. So you want to click on this purple connect button. Okay, next, Slack is going to open up the browser. So you want to go ahead and log into your Slack account. Okay, so once you've signed in, Slack's going to let you know that Fireflies AI is trying to get access to this information here. If you're okay with that, scroll down and then choose the channel that you want your notes to be saved in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save mine here. And then you want to click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Fireflies AI. You can see my Slack is now active. It has a green logo up here. And also you can see the channel that it's going to be sending my notes to. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Slack account to your Fireflies AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.